All right, Manny Pacquiao, his thoughts on his performance this weekend against Brandon Rios?
It was a great comeback fight for him. He did well. He did better than I expected. I'm saying, of course, he's not as sharp as he used to be. It's his first fight back, but he fought a great fight, great win.
Now, most people are saying he did have a good performance. They're impressed with it. Only thing being maybe that he was a little tentative. Do you think that was maybe a result of the last time he was in the ring getting knocked out by Marquez?
Absolutely. When something like that happens, it tends to make you gun shy. It takes less than that sometimes to make people a little less tentative to jump in and out. You can just get hit with a good shot, but he got knocked cold, so naturally, yeah, I imagine that he would take some precaution before he jumped in there too wild.
Other than that, did you see any signs of him maybe slowing down, or do you think he's maybe right back where he was before his two fights?
He's not back where he was, but he made a great start in the road to be back where he was.
Yeah, obviously people are clamoring now for Floyd and Manny. What do you think? I mean, I know you think Floyd would win the fight, but what do you think the chances are happening? And do you think that's now at this point it's a fight that we can talk about again?
I don't know. He only had one fight back in the ring. You know what I'm saying? He had losses on his record. You know what I'm saying? He just needs to crawl before he walks, and we just go. If it happens, cool. If it don't, cool.
So logically, the two other people would be Bradley and Marquez. Who would you prefer to see him fight? I think Marquez probably could be a money issue, but out of those two, who do you think would be a better opponent for him next?
I mean, both of them is tough fights. You know what I'm saying? You got the conscience of the last knockout from Marquez. Then you got the great performance against Bradley, but then you lost. You know what I mean? So both of them can set heavy on the brain. So, I mean, either one would be a good payday for him, but as far as wanting to see either one of them, I'll watch whatever one come up, put it that way. I'm not looking forward to neither one of them.
All right, Carly, no thanks.